Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with HubSpot free CRM account, beginner guide step by step clearly. Visit the HubSpot website at hubspot.com. On the home page, locate the Get Started Free button. Click on the Get Started Free button. You will be redirected to a sign up page. Enter your email address in the designated field. Choose a strong password for your account. Fill in your first and last name in the respective fields. Select your company name and the website address, if applicable. Choose your country from the drop-down menu. Click on the Yes, Send Me Marketing Emails checkbox if you prefer to receive updates. Click on the Create My Account button. Check your email for a verification message from HubSpot. Open the verification email and click on the provided link. You'll be taken back to the HubSpot page to finalize your registration. Complete any additional prompts regarding your role and business type. Once you've filled out the necessary information, click Next. On the next screen, you may be prompted to set up your CRM preferences. Review the preferences and click Finish Setup. You're now logged into your new HubSpot free CRM account. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the features available. Start adding contacts, companies, and deals to make use of the CRM. Utilize the resources in the HubSpot Academy to enhance your skills further. Congratulations, you've successfully registered for a HubSpot free CRM account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.